Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Life. This may seem like a very basic tutorial, but you'll be surprised how many times people have asked me to do this, so we're going to go and knock it out. So what I'm going to be doing today is replacing the windshield wipers on this E46 wagon. This is my personal wagon. It is a 2001, it's got 330 swap and all that. If you guys want more information on it, make sure you go check out our vlog channel. We've done a bunch of stuff on it on that channel. But anyways, here are the wipers. These wiper blades are pretty much shot. They're leaving streaks behind, they're making all kinds of noise, so we're just going to change them out with some Vallejo OEM replacements. I'll have the products linked down below, so if you guys need it, make sure you go buy it from there. Here are the new ones, and don't mind the cowl. I know mine's all shot. I've got a new one that I'm going to put on. If you guys need to replace yours, that will also be linked down below, and I have a video that shows you how to do that, which will also be linked down below. So what you're going to need, the new wipers. I'd highly recommend having some kind of cardboard or something that you could place on the windshield. That way, just in case while you're removing the wiper, if the arm decides to fling towards the windshield, it doesn't crack it. Mine's already cracked, but we're still going to try to make it so that it doesn't crack more. So you're going to start off by lifting up the arms. We'll start off on this side. Depending on the wiper that's on there currently, you might have a different method of pulling it off. Alright, so the ones that are on here are Bosch. These are very easy to remove and replace. All you have to do is squeeze right here and you'll see where it releases. Once that section is lifted, then you can just pull it straight down and out. Alright, so the driver's side is a 23-inch blade, and the ones I'm using are the Vallejo European OEM technology ones. So, like I said, it'll be linked down below. They're already pre-fitted with the connector that's made for the car. So if you want, you can clean up this area right here for the arm, even put some silicone spray or anything like that. So here's the blade. This one does have the little cover on it. So let's go ahead and try to install it. So what you want to do is get it all the way through, like this first. Then you have this section in the front. That needs to go on the outside. So slide it all the way up. And once you have it slid up all the way, then you're going to lock it in place by turning this and hearing the click. Now this side is a 20-inch. Since we have the Bosch ones currently, just push the two tabs in, lift up, and then slide down. The process is going to be the same on this as well. Get it all the way through, then scoot it over a little bit, slide it into the tab. So this tab needs to stay on the outside. Slide it all the way up slowly, and then once you have it up, then you can lock it in place. Now you want to put the wiper down slowly, do the same for this side, and you're set. And that's it for this video. If you have these installed already, the process to remove them is pretty much backwards of how you install them. So you just pull the tab out first, wiggle it around, and then slide it down. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys need any other DIYs, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you need to get in touch with me, be sure to message me on Instagram at ShopLifeTV. Make sure you go check out the vlog channel. Go check out Selena's channel, which is my girlfriend's channel. She's got her whole E46 LS3 swap documented on there. Anyways, see you guys in my next video.